Everyone, if you've seen the last video, so I should have prevented myself from laughing, but I laughed. So this video is about my punishment, and I have to cook. So I'm gonna bake for the first time. I'm gonna bake a cake for the first time ever. Hope it's gonna go well. So come with me. So this is my bowl. I need 2 tablespoons honey. It cannot even be 2 tablespoons at all. Almost empty. I should go to Denmark and buy new honey from someone I know. I guess so. Yeah. So hard. It's so hard. Just see, there is nothing left. Take 200 gram popcorn and make it. Then you add it to the bowl, but you shouldn't flavor it with salt. It should be saltless. Are you ready for the result? I'm also excited. 3, 2, 1. Woo! It's too hot. I cannot beat it right now. I should wait some until cool down. So now we take good popcorns out of this box. Now they are no longer warm. And why is it so hot? Oh.
One eternity later.
What the fuck is this? Let me check. Oh. Now it's here. And we have to take good ones and smash them really good. But only we take the good ones, because we cannot use the bad ones. Because we need it for our cake. We don't need it for something else, and it should be really in the small pieces. Really small pieces, yeah. So now I have the mixer here, or smasher. I don't know the name of it. I put it here and loose, tight. If I press this, done. Now we don't have any more. This popcorn. We just put it in the bowl. And now I should enter this popcorn into this bowl. Let me do that. What a mess. Such a mess. Here we have. You can see, this is really good. That could be even smaller, but it's okay. For me, it's okay. Woo! Yeah! So now we are done with popcorn. We're gonna stir this one, but later, no problem, because we are not done yet. I wanna give you a fact. I have 4 bananas. No, this is a dark joke. Here I have 4 bananas. For real. I have to smash them and put them in the bowl. Plate, I didn't have so much plate, so I had to let the bananas enter the bowl. And there is two more to do. I have to smash them really good, really good, really good, really good. And when it's done, I will show you. So we go to the next round. Now we have here 3 eggs. So they are gonna also be inside of it. If I play with these eggs, I'm gonna put them on the floor and waste food. I should put them inside of it. Good boy. Ooh. The men who cook are the best men in the world. First one. That was the first one. This is the second one. I hope that the shell won't enter the chat. Yes. And the third one. We need the third one to enter the chat. No any eggshell have entered the chat yet. That's good because we don't want them. We have not invited them into our chat. Done. Now we need two more things. We need 2 tablespoons baking powder. Let me check. And done. We need one more thing. We need some cacao powder. We need 2. Oh, sorry. This one is teaspoon. This one is tablespoon. Sorry for bad information. I was going to ruin your cake if you were going to make this. 2 tablespoons cacao powder. Yes. And now we should mix them. Let's see how it looks like before we mix them all. We should mix this. Please. We have a handmade hand mixer. Hand mixer enters. Do. Oh, it's so hard. We had to do into here. This is the air fryer. After 15 minutes, we will see the result. So, I did this dough and I'm cooking and I'm so excited to see the result. I know I ruined everything, but I'm hopeful and I'm content with that because I am always good at ruining everything. So let's see the result. 12 more minutes. Count. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! I can smell the shit I did. Let me see. No way, that's really good. Woo! This is the result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to watch other videos, next videos, and thanks for supporting me. Until this next video, see you soon.